There, Thomas here. I'm going to show you how to import a document directly into your template center. So hit the template center, select the template area. I'm going to go for the commissioning tests. Within this section, you can see like the import files over here on the right side. Click on that one, provides you 3 quick alternatives, or quick ways to get a file into CxPlanner. We got an import from a Word document file, from CxAlloy templates, and from Facility Grid templates. So if you're going to get data in, it is quite simple. You're just going to click on the import type, then find the file on your device. So you're going to find whatever needed. So this one here, and then upload and convert. That will push that into our backend. We'll read the file, we'll convert it, and make it ready for you to implement. So this one includes some component verification with like recording various items. Then for supply fan, then the installation verification, and so on. So all of the items here are directly imported into the CxPlanner format. You can change them if you don't like the naming. If you don't need them, remove them. And you can also move them to another location if you need to. So there's lots of options here. And then with one click, like that, it's imported and is ready to be used on your project. So see here, then we got it inside CxPlanner, all of the items, do whatever you need here. So one click, import, and the same goes if you have, hundreds of these documents, import all of them.